Hey guys, welcome back to 2 weeks of Thanksgiving, where I teach you different recipes for your Thanksgiving or Friendsgiving dinners this year. We're still in week 2, so that means we're still doing the side dishes, and today I have something very healthy but also delicious, because why does eating vegetables have to be nasty, okay? So we're making roasted vegetables. Let's get started. And today for the recipe, I'm using baby carrots, baby tomatoes, Brussels sprouts, squash, and zucchini. I'm gonna start with cutting my squash and zucchini first. Remove the top and cut them into 1-inch thick slices. And now we have the Brussels sprouts that I washed off, and I'm gonna cut the stems off of them while also cutting them in half. The reason why I'm doing this is because these take longer to cook, and I want them to be ready at the same time as everything else. I'm starting with the carrots, then the tomatoes, then the Brussels sprouts, and the zucchini and the squash. And now we move on to the seasoning part, starting with olive oil. Drizzle some onto each and every single veggie in here, followed by some thyme. Again, make sure everything is super coated so they can get as flavorful as possible. Black pepper. And garlic salt, because I do not have any ground garlic left. This is what everything looks like before I bake it in the oven. You can see everything is super coated with the salt, pepper, the thyme, and the oil. And my favorite thing about this recipe is that it takes no more than maybe 10 minutes of prep time, and then you let the oven do the rest. That's pretty much it for now. We're gonna bake those at 420 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on what they look like, and then we're done. This is what everything's looking like 20 minutes later. I'm gonna mix them a little bit so everything can cook evenly. In the oven they go. There you guys, this is an hour in. You can see some liquid at the bottom from the veggies themselves. Now I'm gonna put this on boil for 5 minutes so they can get some extra color, and then we're done. And this is it. Everything got some good color, and now you can transfer this to your other plate, or you can keep it as is and just serve. Alright guys, that is it for these roasted veggies. Feel free to make this recipe your own. Add in your favorite vegetables if you want. This is a quick recipe in my opinion, because the most you're gonna do is prep the veggies together and put them in a baking dish. I have another side dish for you tomorrow, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in that video. Bye!